Good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Today I going to teach you homes of animal, birds and insect. Okay? But before let me tell you date, day, weather and season. Which date? 17 August 2020. Which day? Monday. How's weather in outside? Cloudy. Which season in going on? Rainy. Okay. So now children, I revised before topic is insect name. First spelling is ant. A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. And next, Housefly, housefly. Housefly, housefly. And next, Butterfly, butterfly. Butterfly, butterfly. And next one, grasshopper. Which spelling is grasshopper? Grasshopper. 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 Cockroach. 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 And next, honeybee. 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 And next, mosquito. 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 And last, ladybird. 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 Okay, so now children, I explain about homes of animal, birds and insect. And first picture is stable. Which picture is this? Stable. Horse lives in stable. Horse lives in stable. Horse. 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 Stable. Stable. Horse lives in stable. And next, which picture is this? Sad. Which picture is this? Sad. Cow lives in sad. Cow lives in sad. C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. S-H-E-D, sad. S-H-E-D, sad. Cow lives in sad. And next one, which picture is this? Kennel. Which picture is this? Kennel. Dogs lives in kennel. Dog lives in kennel. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. 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 Dog lives in kennel. Which picture is this? Coop. Which picture is this? Coop. Hen lives in coop. Hen lives in coop. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. C-O-O-P, coop. C-O-O-P, coop. Hen lives in coop. Hen lives in coop. And next, nest. Which picture is this? Nest. Bird lives in nest. Bird lives in nest. B-I-R-D, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. B-I-R-D, bird. N-E-S-T, nest. Bird lives in nest. And next picture is den. Which picture is this? Den. Lion lives in den. L-I-O-N, lion. D-E-N, den. L-I-O-N, lion. D-E-N, den. Lion lives in den. And next, which picture is this? Water. Which picture is this? Water. Fish lives in water. Fish lives in water. F-I-S-H, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. W-A-T-E-R, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Fish lives in water. Fish lives in water. And next one, pen. Which picture is this? Pen. Sheep lives in pen. Sheep lives in pen. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. Sheep lives in pen. And next, which picture is this? Tree. Which picture is this? Tree. Monkey lives in tree. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. T-R-E-E, tree. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. T-R-E-E, tree. Monkey lives in tree. And last one, which picture is this? Ant hill. Which picture is this? Ant hill. Ant lives in ant hill. A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. A-N-T-H-I-L-L, ant hill. Ant lives in ant hill. Look at the board, children. One by one, let's write and have to speak loudly the name of homes of animals, birds and insects. Okay? So now children, first picture is stable and do write H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Horse lives in stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. And next, which picture is this? Kennel. Do write D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog lives in kennel. E double N E L, kennel. Dog lives in kennel. And next picture is sad. Right, children? C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. Cow lives in shed. S-H-E-D, shed. Cow lives in shed. And next picture, nest. Write one, children. Do right. B I R D, bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Bird lives in nest. N E S T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. And next, which picture is this? Den. Lion lives in den. Do right, children. L-I-O-N, lion. Lion lives in den. D-E-N, den. D-E-N, den. Lion lives in den. And next, which picture is this? Coop. Hen lives in coop. Do right. H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. Hen lives in coop. C-O-O-P, coop. Hen lives in coop. And next, which picture is this? Water. Fish lives in water. Do right, children. F I S H, fish. Fish lives in water. W A T E R, water. Fish lives in water. And next, which picture is this? Tree. Monkey lives in tree. Do right. M O N K E Y, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Monkey lives in tree. T-R-E-E, tree. And next, which picture is this? Ant. Which picture is this? Ant. Ant lives in ant hill. A-N-T, ant. A-N-T-H-I-L-L, ant hill. And last, which picture is this? Pen. Sheep lives in pen. Do right. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Sheep lives in pen. P-E-N, pen. Again I repeat me. Spelling: H-O-R-S-E, horse. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. D-O-G, dog. K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. Next, C-O-W, cow. S-H-E-D, shed. Next, BIRD bird, NEST nest, LION lion, DEN den, HEN hen, COOP coop. And next one, FISH fish, WATER water, MONKEY monkey, TREE tree. Next, ANT ant, ANTHILL ant hill. And last, SHEEP sheep, PEN pen. Thank you.